So, Osanix is basically marketed as a weight loss supplement designed to help with things like appetite control, metabolism, and fat loss. But the big question is whether it's actually better than GLP-1 supplements. The first thing to understand is that GLP-1 medications have been clinically studied and are regulated prescription treatments, while a weight loss supplement like Osanix isn't automatically going to provide the same level of evidence or results. Even if Osanix contains ingredients that have been researched for weight management, that doesn't mean the finished product will produce significant weight loss. I'd also be careful with testimonials and claims about dramatically reducing appetite or boosting GLP-1 naturally. So, is Osanix better than GLP supplements? I wouldn't make that claim based on marketing alone. Look at the actual ingredients, dosages, clinical evidence, safety information, and cost before deciding. Overall, if you're comparing a supplement with proven medical treatments, don't assume they're equivalent just because the advertising uses similar weight loss language. The evidence behind the product matters much more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.